The U.S. Navy has announced a major delay in its next-generation attack submarine program, the SSNX, pushing the first procurement from fiscal year 2035 to fiscal year 2040. This delay comes amid growing budgetary pressures and raises concerns about the Navy's ability to maintain its undersea dominance as global threats continue to evolve. The SSNX is set to replace the Virginia-class nuclear-powered attack submarines, which have been in service since 1998. While the Virginia-class submarines are already highly advanced, the SSNX is designed to be even more powerful. It combines the speed and payload of the Seawolf class, the stealth of the Virginia class, and the operational lifespan of the Columbia-class ballistic missile submarines. The result is expected to be a larger, more advanced submarine capable of countering near-peer adversaries like China and Russia. However, the program is facing significant financial and industrial challenges. The Congressional Budget Office estimates the cost per unit could range between $6.7 billion and $8.0 billion, far higher than the Navy's initial projections. This, combined with a delay in procurement, risks creating a gap in the U.S. submarine construction industrial base, which relies heavily on just two shipyards, General Dynamics Electric Boat and Huntington Ingalls Industries Newport News Shipbuilding. Ensuring the readiness of the workforce and maintaining supply chains during this extended timeline will be critical. Strategically, the SSNX is essential for ensuring that the U.S. Navy stays ahead in underwater warfare. The submarine is designed with greater speed, larger payload capacity, and the ability to integrate with unmanned systems and off-hull platforms. But the procurement delay raises serious questions about the Navy's ability to maintain its undersea superiority, especially as rival nations continue to develop advanced naval technologies. There's also the issue of nuclear fuel. The Navy is considering the use of low-enriched uranium, which could support non-proliferation goals. However, moving away from the highly enriched uranium used in current fleets presents several challenges, including reduced reactor endurance, higher costs, and longer development times. Estimates suggest it could take decades and cost billions to transition to low-enriched uranium. Congress is expected to closely scrutinize the SSNX program, given its high costs and impact on other Navy priorities. The Navy has requested $586.9 million in research and development funding for fiscal year 2025, a significant cut due to the delay in procurement. Some lawmakers have even proposed further reductions, citing the uncertainty surrounding the program's timeline and costs. While the SSNX promises to be a formidable addition to the U.S. Navy's fleet, the delays and financial challenges it faces highlight the complex reality of maintaining undersea superiority in an increasingly competitive world. The program's future will depend on ongoing budget negotiations, strategic decisions, and technological advancements in the years to come.